Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious veg momos at home. First, let's prepare the dough. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oil. Gradually add water and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until you have a smooth, firm dough. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a soft and pliable dough, making it easier to work with later. Now let's create the flavorful filling for our momos. Finely chop a variety of vegetables like cabbage, carrots, onions, and bell peppers. In a pan, sauté some minced ginger, garlic, and green chilies, then add your chopped vegetables. Cook them until they are slightly tender but still retain a bit of crunch. Season generously with soy sauce, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of sesame oil for that authentic taste. With our dough and filling ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping the momos. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into thin, 3-inch circles. Place about 1 tablespoon of the delicious vegetable filling right in the center. Now, carefully fold and pleat the edges of the dough to create beautiful, traditional momo shapes. Ensure they are sealed tightly to prevent any filling from escaping during cooking. Finally, let's cook our perfectly shaped momos. Arrange them in a steamer basket, making sure there is a little space between each one to prevent sticking. Steam them over boiling water for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the wrappers become translucent and the filling is cooked through. Serve these hot, delicious, homemade veg momos immediately with your favorite spicy dipping sauce. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.